From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your afternoon weather update.
Hey, good afternoon, folks. Looks like we have some storms developing here as of midday across the Tennessee Valley, especially in portions of northwestern Alabama, trending towards the state line, kind of pushing east with time. More development out there in Mississippi as well. We'll have to watch that, see how that kind of evolves here over the next couple hours. Here in Lawrenceburg at the moment, you can see those storms off in the distance as we look south down North Locust Avenue. Conditions are pretty decent at the moment. 82 with a dew point of 75. I say decent as in it's okay for storms. So we're kind of building up that environment. Pretty good conditions for continued development as we head over the next several hours. Very humid out there, lots of energy to work with as we head through today. Hopping across the state line, much of the same. A little bit rain-cooled here in the Shoals at the moment. Here in Florence, it's 76 with a dew point of 72. Pretty breezy out there as well, you'll notice. Some boundaries are getting laid down. Might be some gusty winds behind that as well. And the chance for gusty winds with some of those stronger storms, too. I'll discuss that more in a few moments. But let's take a look at the hour by hour. This has it a little bit more widespread over the next couple hours. Don't know if I entirely believe that, but I think it's kind of on the right track, to be honest with you. We'll get more development, and it probably will become quite scattered to possibly widespread as we head through the next several hours, but it does move out of here with time as we head through this evening and tonight. Temperatures falling off just a little bit, probably near 70 for our lows. Pretty humid out there for tonight as well, but it's the sign of the times. Watch this. As we head through tomorrow, more development, and it looks like, to be honest with you, we might be dealing with a washout for our Sunday. I don't think conditions are going to be very good. I think we're all going to see rain at one point or another, some of which might be pretty heavy, locally strong to severe storms at time possible as well for our Sunday. Today as well, that's what I wanted to mention. There is a level 2 out of 5 risk starting in Lawrence County and pushing west with time there. And then as you head in northeastern Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, you also have that level 2 out of 5 risk. Level 1 out of 5 risk for the rest of us as you push east of Lawrence County. But still, that means all of us do have some shot at severe weather. So I do want to just talk about that real quick. It's something we've been dealing with pretty much the past, 5 weekends now? Sounds like a broken record at this point, but the possibility is there for some damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour and maybe some large hail in excess of 1 inch in diameter. That is, if those storms can really establish themselves and maybe pop a severe thunderstorm warning or two. This is not a tornado issue or anything like that, so don't get worried about that or anything. But we'll have to keep an eye on it because lightning, damaging winds, and hail all are very much dangerous and should be taken seriously. So we'll keep an eye on that and just see how that evolves here over today and into tomorrow. So big picture forecast as we head into the week. Looks like we do start to taper off those rain chances for the first and middle half of the week. So we do have some relief in sight. Looks like we might be getting back up near 90 for that as well. But by the time we're heading towards the middle and end portions of the week, notice off to the north, system sags down there. We might get a little bit more moisture. Rain chances might be a little bit higher as we head towards about Wednesday, Thursday, towards the end of the week. But as for the trends, I think this weekend is really kind of when we have this really bad precipitation that just kind of ruins your day, especially tomorrow. Notice this, they're mid-80s to upper 80s consistently. We're definitely not seeing any of those 90s with rain all across the area. Much of the same across the state line. Copy and paste that into northwestern Alabama. Boom, you have a pretty bad forecast for Sunday. So, unfortunately, I guess we can't take full advantage of it, but relief is in sight, I do think. So as we head through the week, like I was mentioning, we do get back into the 90s. You can really see the temperatures responding to that widespread rain here over the next couple of days. But like I said, we're getting back to the 90s. We might have some more relief to look forward to. And on the 7-day forecast, you can really see what I'm talking about. It's a wet couple of days here as we head into Sunday and Monday. But you know what? We do kind of lose those chances as we head through midweek. So they're still there, but they might be a little bit better. I think the week looks fine. This weekend, though, not looking so good. Thanks for watching this forecast update, and God bless.